but what he's doing is really nice because yarambwiye ngo numvise story y'umwana mfata Big Zo nashaka kugira ngo mfashe. How can you help me? Ndavuga, do you have Gitaho's number? I said yes, I have it. So the guy was like, send me the number. Ndayimusindikira, I don't know ibyo bavuganye ntabwo mbizi, ariko anyumaza kumbwira get this money sent to Gitaho, let him help that guy because the story is touching. I was like, bro, what you've done ni bake babikora. So naramubwiye nti komeza kandi ugo mutima uzawuhorane because that guy is very very nice. Sinzi nuko nabivuga kabisa, ariko ntabwo nta nubwo ari umwana gusa afashije, ari abantu benshi afashije nka business wise, abana bakiri batoya, urubyiruko.
Turabashimira cyane mwese abakunda gukurikirana GMTV kandi turabashimira mu buryo ko tutabasha gusobanura n'amagambo kubera ubufasha muja muduha gukurikirana GMTV ni ikintu gikuru cyane, kandi cyo tugushishikariza nanone no kugira ngo ukande kuri subscribe aho ngaho kugira ngo n'izindi nkuru zose tuje tuzikugezaho uje ubona notification aho ngaho. Ni wa musore wanyu Gitaho, kandi tukaba turi mu rugo rw'umutware Mukunda Lawrence, anariho hahandi hari wa mubyeyi Alice Nyiramirimo. Uyu ni umufasha we, uyu ni umuryango rero wa wundi twavuga ngo ni abasamariya beza. Ya nkuru yo mwabonye yatambutseho iri kuvuga ku mwana ari we uyu mubona ahangaha, uyu mumama ndetse n'uyu muryango wose kuko mubona. Uyu mwana baramutoraguye ameze nabi nkuko mwakurikiranye iriya nkuru, ariko hanyuma yo guca kuri GMTV inkuru yarebwe na benshi, bamwe bari hanze bamwe bari hano. Rero hagira bamwe mu bagira neza bivamo baravuga bati natwe tugomba kugira uruhare mu buzima bw'uyu muryango bw'uyu mwana by'umwihariko. Noneho rero akaba ari naho uyu munsi tuje, kandi kigendererwa cyo kugaruka muri uru rugo nuko hari inkunga ubufasha buvuye mu bagira neza. Umwe uri nyuma y'ibyo ngibyo akaba ari umusore ukorera muri United Arab Emirates. Umusore bamwita Nigaba Damiano, ariko ni umuririmbyi wa hano muri Kisoro, n'umufumbira, akunze gukoresha stage name Damix. So yohereza inkunga nako ubufasha bwo kunganira uyu muryango mu kureba ngo uyu mwana akuze neza. So muri byo rero yadusabye ko 100 bigura imyenda, ibindi 100 bikunganira uyu muryango mu byo kurya.
Hello everyone, you're watching GMTV. We're happy to be with you this evening. You're all most welcome. My name's Mwana Linet, and I'm here tonight with my good friends who are going to introduce themselves to us. They're going to tell us more about the baby, about the friend who is a good Samaritan. And here we go. Let them introduce themselves to us. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Okay. Can you introduce yourself to us?
My name is Kalimunda Felix, aka Carl Felix.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a good friend of Damian, aka Damix,
Alright.
and he's called Damix Music. He's a promoter. I'm a good friend of him.
All right. Happy to see you.
Happy to see you too.
Okay, let's have our next friend.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm alright. How are you?
Can you introduce yourself to us, your name, what you do?
Yeah, I'm Robert Nkurunziza Bigezo, aka Big Zo, aka Nziza Kids. I'm an artist and I'm a music producer. Yeah, Damix is my good friend. He is my brother.
Okay.
That's what I can say.
All right, so we are here this evening to talk about different things. We are so glad to be with you guys. Subscribe and like. You can share it. So we're here tonight to talk about a good Samaritan. We want to talk about our friend Damiano, who helped the kid who was dumped by the mother, and a good Samaritan picked her, umwana no w'imyaka ebyiri. So we've been given help to take to this baby. I would like to first of all ask my friends, how connected are you with Damiano? How did you get to meet him? How are you guys related?
Damiano nanga si Damix nje uko muzi. Damix ni inshuti yanje ya kare. Twarakuranye dukura hamwe hano Kisoro. Turigana ku ishuri. Damix muzi nyine nku like nkuko kivuze, he's a good Samaritan everywhere. The Damix has been good, so that's why I know him. Damix kabisa ibyo namugoni.
Ni mshuti wawe cyane.
Cyane kayi n'abantu.
So
ngira barabizi.
Nshaka kubaza mwahuye mute, mwahuriye ku ishuri muciga?
Yeah, Damix twahuriye ku ishuri ariko nyine n'ahandi ni wabo yavuka twari tuziranye, so aza muno mu town turamenyana cyane mbe.
Ni umwana namenye kuva kare, like when he was still young, because I used to meet him in town. It was my good friend. Twasomanyeho in secondary school. So Damix kugira ngo tumenyane birenze, yaraje turi mu Kampala nyine icyo gihe ataraganira. Icyo gihe yarashaka no kugenda, avuga ko agiye kunsezera aragenda, but he was a good friend because what he did to me is something very big, because he has been even sponsoring my other things.
Okay. None icyo nashakaga kubaza, utubwiye ko atari hano muri Uganda, aba hehe?
Damix abaga mu Saudi Arabia. Saudi. It's where he's working right now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Aho ngaho rero ni byiza. So we really appreciate kandi turishimye cyane kubwa mwene wacu Damiano Niyigaba. Have you been talking to him of recent?
Yeah, Damix nje ameze neza kubera nejo twaturu kuvugana, so he's okay. Kind of yari guplanninga kuza muno, but some issues came up. He didn't come for Christmas, but he was going to come, so he's okay. Ibyo ari guplanninga byo ni byinshi ageze muno, and he was talking about the kid. Yeah, and I think today he did something for the kid.
All right, that is really so great. Ni byiza cyane kandi turamushimiye cyane. Turagushimiye cyane Sebo Damiano Niyigaba. Nawe washobora kutubwiraho kubimwe mwavuganyeho, hari ukuntu mufitanye gahunda? How is it going?
Actually Damix twari dufitanye gahunda nini cyane kuko ubushize yarafite kuba ari muri Uganda. He has been having many things to do here in Kisoro. Yarashaka kugira ngo nagere ino atangire gukora saloni kugira ngo afashe abandi bana b'urubyiruko kubabonera akazi n'ibintu byinshi yarafite gukora, kandi urumva kuba ari n'umwana mwiza, n'umwana ufite umutima mwiza.
Surely twabyumvise ko ari ibintu byiza cyane gufasha uyu mwana. Twumvishe uri kutubwira ko yafashije uyu umwana muto w'imyaka ebyiri wabari bataye, akaba amufashije n'umuntu wamutoraguye, akaba n'uyu munsi hari ibyakozwe ibyajanywe mu rugo for taking care of the child. Twifuza kumenya, twifuza hari nkuko tubwiye ngo afite izindi gahunda gufasha abandi bana, gufasha abana urubyiruko. It's really something good. And have got to give him nyaka because people don't like to tell about years. I understand. Okay, it's fine. But I guess the year range he's in, he's still a youth. He's in your age.
Yeah.
Okay, that is so great. If he's in your age, it means he's still young. Not very old, and he's still young. So chimenyesha ngo ntabwo afite byinshi ariko ari gufasha abantu n'ibyo afite. So how do you guys feel about it? Is it really inspiring to you? How do you see that?
For sure, it's inspirational because achekara wafite muri iki gihe turimo kabona shaka guha mugenzi we ni ikintu koko curumva koko you proud of. Damix, I'm proud of you. Bro, I'm proud of you.
Alright, they're proud of you, sir.
So kubona ko umuntu avuye akavuga ati uriya nanje nabonye this, nabonye derito izaninge, akavuga ati kangwe hiki. That's reason. Ni ikintu kitakora gikorwa n'abakembe.
Okay. Ni ukuri twashimye cyane. And so about kuba ari gufasha. Nkamwe, how have you been with him? Yabafashije muki? How did he stand with you? Like gituma mushaka ko nabandi baza bakabi.
Actually, he has helped me in so many things. Like I've said, he has helped some other guys, most especially artists. Yeah, that guy has been having a dream of making a music label, promoting our hands.
So you guys mean you're artists, you can sing. Wow, that is so great.
He sponsored one of our songs. Yeah, he sponsored 2 of our songs.
Okay, so he sponsored 2 of your songs. That is really amazing, guys. You guys, before we leave this place, you'll give us a cappella of the song. Right? Okay, that is really so gorgeous and fine. Surely I would like to encourage all of you, whenever you could really have a giving heart. A giving heart is always blessed. A giving hand is always blessed. So in the little thing that you have, you could always share with your friend, with your neighbor, not only helping someone you know, but even helping someone you don't know. God will always bless you. Felix and Big Zone, they're going to give us a couple of some of their songs. He said, Ayo Jolly. So let's hear from these guys one of their songs.
Ntawundi nakumbura ye eyo chori sabombere nyo kumutima ye ijenye no ntawundi nakumbura ye eyo chori sabombere nyo kumutima ye hadipidan dipidan love hadipidan love aye hadipidan love hadipidan in my heart tarata hello my baby kansubire ntompulira orikushua wini.
Wow, that is so great, that is so good. Ayo Jolly, that is so wonderful. It is a love song, yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it's a love song.
Surely. It is. Oh, you've made it through the quarantine, so?
Okay, so after quarantine, njala kobera nawe maikwinini. Orikushua nze nakumiranga pinini. Nze neno kumisinga kukubire simu nota pikinga sitedine kona kutextinga omutima gwange gubitinga jajangu to meeting fake chance to aginge baby wambi to striking better no nagukonda.
Oh my God, these guys are really so great and so marvelous. It is a wonderful song. I really like the song Jolly and the other song Quarantini. That is really so nice and so great. These songs, are they already out?
Yeah, it's both audio and video or out. You can check TST Music.
Okay. Is it TST?
TST Music.
Okay.
Yeah, on YouTube. You can go on Facebook, you check TST Music Official, you find us.
Alright, these guys are on TST Music. Wow, you can check TST Music. Their songs are right there. Ayo Jolly is right there. You can sing it for your beloved one. And you can subscribe and share. On YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, on TST Music. You can subscribe on YouTube, on their YouTube channel. Everything is there. And you can like and share. Even on their Facebook pages. Do you have any other music?
A lot of music is coming your way.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is really so great. So you guys sing together, or at times you make your own songs and he makes his own. Can you tell us how it is?
Like sometimes we do sing together because we are one group. We are Carl, Felix, Big Zo, and Roger. We are 3.
This is so wonderful, so wonderful.
Actually, that makes music. Like I said, that guy, he wanted to make a music label. Ariko yagize mutibazo duke but it's there. because he had signed one of the guys called Fruit Daniels. Ashaka natwe yarashaka kudufatiraho as TST Music UG, because we already have an audio with him, and he has been a good guy. Like after an indirimbo nawe ashaka gukora of his daughter called Debbie.
Wow, that is so great. I want to tell you everybody there, totulira kirabo kya mwana, totulira kirabo kyongo kirina. You can bring out your talent. It's going to help someone out there. Your talent will make you go different places, will make you go far, will make you go overseas. So bring out your talent. It will help someone. So I would like to ask, how are you prepared for the next time to come? Are you ready? Do you have yet an album of your music, or you're still making it out?
Yeah, we are still working on our first album.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so working on it together, or each is having his own album?
Working on it together, because so far you have 2 songs on the album. We have Ubwiza Bwawe and we have Jori.
Okay, that is really great. So guys, you can be supportive to our fellow members, and their music is official Ugandan music. Really, you can be supportive. And to everyone in Kisoro, in Uganda, in Kampala, in Kabale, you're really so welcome to love the music, to love what they do, and to support them. It is really so great. Muri kureba mugeze kure, murachari gutangira, muri hagati, ni gute muri kwireba muri music?
In Kigezi, we are still like we are pushing, we want to be on top. Kandi mu western yose ubu ngubu aho ndi kuvugira ngaha, we are going to be in the middle. Ntabwo twagerayo neza, but we want to hit even Uganda, the whole country at large.
Wow.
You chizura talent yawe. You do it as because you want to enjoy your talent, but at times when you start focusing on it, you find it business-wise. It's business-wise, so we are doing it business-wise and of course enjoying our talent. Yeah.
Oh wow, that is good. Expressing your talent. That is really so great. So now tubwire watangiye nka talent, ufite talent uri kumva, do you have the zeal for the music? Cyangwa you gone there to make money?
I think I have all, because it's passion. I have talent. Actually, let me talk about myself. I'm a music producer. I'm called Nziza Keys, and I'm an artist. I've been doing music production from Kampala Genius Empire with my bro Marek Mek. But now here in Kisoro, I'm doing there at Have a Good Studio. Kugatare. Yeah, so music it's passion, ariko mbikora nka business kandi nkabikora bikunze kuko ni nk'impano Imana yampaye tu. Niko navuga.
Ni byiza cyane, ni byiza kandi turashima Imana. Muri abafumbira ba hano Kisoro, right? Wow. So I believe you guys should be raising the Kisoro music, our language, and have it extended somewhere. How do you see that?
Yeah, I think, by the way, it is what we are trying to do, because I don't think we do music in one language. Maybe we will sing English or Uganda, or we do both.
Okay.
Or actually, to sell our language also.
Yeah. So nugukora byose mukaririmba indimi zose actually. Nibyo byiza cyane kuririmba indimi zose, so that
because if you hear like your Jori, it was Taundi na kumbura, that's Rufumbira. Yes. Then your Jori, that's Ruganda. Sabombere nyoko mutima ye. Ijenye no. You get that.
Yeah, I hear the mixing of the language. Wow, that is really so good and so great. So we encourage, how do you encourage people out there? How do you encourage the fellow youth about their talents, about what they're feeling? Can you tell me, how do you feel? Which advice would you give to the youth out there?
Okay, the advice I can give to the youth, okay, fellow youth, because I'm youth.
Okay.
Don't go too much into music, and you forget other things like books.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're still a student?
Me, I graduated in Jan at Makerere.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. So you're advising them to go in music, but again, they have to be in their books.
Because when we started singing in 2014, I think we are in senior 5. Yes, we are in senior 5. So we did our first song called Ntachizere. Yeah, it was a hit.
Okay.
So if it was another guy, you'd say, I'm a big artist now, eh?
Okay,
And
so
you leave school, you leave school, start living that life of slavery. So, but when we didn't achieve it, we kept focusing on books.
Wow, that is a good advice to the youth out there. It's really something good and encouraging. Something, it's a motive actually. Someone would like to take over. They're telling you that as long as you're going music, but don't dare forget your books. You still need your books. However much you're talented, you can carry on with your books and your education as well as your doing music. So tell us, what message are you giving to the youth out there and to everybody there?
The message I'm giving to the youth, please, if you know you have a talent, do what you can, follow your dreams, make sure you review your talent, because talent is talent. Talent yo gushushanya, I mean art, any talent you have, ushobora kuyikurikirana ukayimenya ukayizura, because that is where you can like yakubeshaho wajyaho igihe kirekire cyane.
Yes. Nkunze cyane icyavuze ngo talent yawe yakubeshaho. It's really so true. Muri abaririmbyi mutangiye kuririmba kandi ndabyizera yuko mucyakomeza kuririmba, sibyo? Nashakaga kubabaza ko ninde wo mwarebye mukumva namwe mukunze kuririmba? Who is your role model via singing?
In Kisoro, yeah, there's a guy called MC Slender. He has done a lot of good songs that I love. I don't know if you know that I love his music, but he did Burache, Hanganana Burache, Nana to get it, yeah, that song, that guy inspired me a lot.
Okay.
So, Western, I love Ray G. Internationally, I love Pato Lanking.
Actually, in Kisoro, I have two guys that inspired me. There is a guy called, I think those guys are legends in Kisoro. We have Young Josh. He no longer sing, but he's a legend. Yeah, I respect him. MC Surrender. Those are the guys, because those are the guys that made it in Kisoro. So in during that time. Yeah, so in Kigazi, I think Reggie, because he has done it, he has made it through. Yeah, so now in Uganda, I look at Epas, because he's very talented, much talented. He's a producer. He can produce, he can write songs, he can do what, and it's what we do also.
Wow, so he inspired you to sing Epas?
Yeah, Epas inspired me a lot, because I myself am an artist and I'm a songwriter. And I'm a producer. I'm multi-talented, you see.
Wow, that is really so amazing to be multi-purpose.
There is Pato Ranking. There is Free Boy. No, I mean Fire. He's called Fireboy. Yeah, like that guy.
Those guys inspired you people to sing.
He inspired me a lot. Even Simi, she's good.
Wow.
Yeah, we have, because I do R&B. There is this guy John Dream.
Yes.
He's very, very nice.
Yeah, sure.
So those are the guys I look up.
When time comes and you feel you're a step ahead, would you feel like supporting others, supporting their talents that will come over?
Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. If I made it, nubwo nshobora gukora music nka gutya, ariko ntimbe big artist, but I can push someone be a big artist than me. So I'll try and make sure like these small talents we have in Kisoro, because I have to connect them to many guys in Kampala are those big artists, because we like now to regeranye, so I can connect them to all those big artists.
Since you're singing about love, are you seeing someone? How is it? Can you talk to us?
Actually, I think I'm single.
You think?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Oh my God, I thought you're sure about yourself.
No, I'm single, but maybe I might be looking at someone.
Okay, so you're seeing someone there.
Yeah, but crushing just.
Oh, you got to bring out that and tell that person you're crushing onto.
Not really.
Not now, maybe you have
Not now.
a appointed time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a lot of things to do, but of course, you know, you need someone, but I'm searching for that someone. Yeah,
Wow, so he's searching, guys.
you guys, I'm searching. Yeah,
Okay, that is really
being single.
sure. He's tired of being single, and for him, he thinks he's still single. He's not yet sure. He's still not yet married. He's not yet, and he's. Oh my God, this guy is a sir. Oh.
Oh.
So,
Hey, just trying to
ah, okay. Oh my God, this guy he's searching and
Hey.
he thinks he's still single.
I'm crushing.
Oh, he's crushing on someone. So he must be telling us that someone you're crushing on too. Can you tell us that someone you're crushing on?
My dear, I might be crushing on you.
Oh my God.
Iwacu tuva iwacu ni Busamba. My parents, he's called Bigezo and Penina. Those are my parents. So they have a workshop here in Kisoro. Busamba Expert Tailors is where they work. So in Kampala nkoragayo, I'm a music producer. That's what I do for a living.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even in Kampala, that's what you do for a living? All that?
Yeah, in Kampala that's what I do. I'm a music producer.
Hari akantu nkoraga karaho gato gato, but
Ako kantu ni akahe?
it's I have a plastics shop.
Okay.
Yeah, kitchenware shop.
All right, all right.
Iduka ry'ibyombo. When I'm not in music, I'm there at the shop. Kugatare baita Ave Maria.
Okay.
Ave Maria shop. You can come, you guys, and check on me. You buy plates, you buy cups, you buy what? You buy anything.
Everything for using at home in the kitchen. All right.
Yeah, Mr. Damix. I don't know. I don't have words that I can use to say thank you to you, but I really appreciate your big heart, man. You're good.
Okay.
You're good. So the kid was dumped.
Surely.
I don't know. I don't know how some parents be.
Seriously, that is something big.
Yeah, you carry a baby for 9 months, then you produce well. You raise the baby for two years. Then I don't know. But that mix, you're really good. You're good.
Wow, they're really appreciating you, Mr. Damiano, for the good work that you've done. Let's hear from another friend of ours. The words you have for here for Damiano. You can face in the camera and talk to us.
Actually, bro, what I can tell you is that you're the best, and you know it better. Mpuraga ndakubwira igihe cyose actually ninje umuntu bavuganaga cyane nko ku social media. Every day I have to talk to him. But what he's doing is really nice because yarambwiye ngo numvise story y'umwana mfataho big zone nashaka kugira ngo mfashe. How can you help me? Ndavuga, do you have Gitaho's number? I said yes, I have it. So the guy was like, send me the number. Ndayimusindikira. I don't know ibyo bavuganye ntabwo mbizi ariko hanyuma za kumbwira get this money sent to Gitaho, let him help that guy because the story is touching. I was like, bro, what you've done ni bake babikora. So naramubwiye nti komeza kandi ugo mutima uzawuhorane because that guy is very very nice. Sinzi nuko nabivuga kabisa ariko ntabwo nta nubwo ari umwana gusa afashije, hari abantu benshi afashije nka business wise, abana bakiri batoya, urubyiruko wenda ufite nk'akantu kuri gukora kapiti kagushara. That guy is very very nice, aragufasha ariko ntabwo ari kuvuga ngo afite sente nyinshi ariko utwa afite asangiraga na mugenzi we, which is good.
Yeah. That is really so amazing. Ni byiza cyane. Turagushimiye Mr. Damiano. Byose ukoze, that young kid that you're really supporting. It's really so touching, so good and so great. We really thank you and we pray that the Lord will bless you abundantly. Imana ikomeze kugirira neza kuko nawe uri kugirira neza abandi. As we are concluding, I would like you people to give us goodbye message, and in this festive season, say like 1 or 2 words to say bye to these people.
Actually, the good message I can give you, my people, all my fans there. COVID is real, my people. Please, make sure there is a social distance. Make sure I put on face mask. Ukaraba intoki. Corona irahari kabisa kandi iri kwica abantu muri kubibona no muri Kisoro ko abantu bari gupfa. So I'm telling you, please make sure you stay away from people without mask. And I'm telling you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, TST Music UG. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, everywhere, TST Music UG.
Okay. Even to other friend of ours, so could you tell us some 1 or 2 words you can give to our people?
Okay, people out there, you guys, I really thank you. I thank you for the support you're giving us, because you see, being an artist, it is fine. You can be an artist, but when you don't have someone to back you up, then I think you cannot even enjoy what you're doing. But I appreciate what you guys do. You support our music so much. I'll appreciate. So the message I can give you, just do what you are supposed to do in a light time, in the right place. I think that's it.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you, people. Thank you. He has told you to do the right things at the right time and in the right place. We are so happy. You said you guys, they should, your music is on YouTube. Yeah, they should subscribe on TST Music Uganda. These guys are there, their songs are there, both video and audio, they are there. Subscribe to their channel. You will get the music, right? And we are here thanking everyone. Thank you for your time, for coming to talk to us, to share with us. We are really so grateful of you guys, and we are happy. We are really so grateful. The GMTV is so happy to have you people. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel, GMTV. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a blessed day. Shalom.